In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find meeting passcode Zoom. Whether you're hosting a meeting or joining one you were invited to, I'll walk you through exactly where to look so you can get in quickly and without confusion. If you're the host, start by opening your browser and going to the Zoom website. Then sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the same account that scheduled the meeting since passcodes are tied to the meeting owner. Once you're in, look at the left side of the page and click Meetings. This takes you to your list of scheduled sessions. Find the upcoming tab and select the meeting you want. If you have several, double check the date and time so you open the correct one. On the meeting details page, you'll see key information for that session. The passcode is listed clearly among the details. If the passcode appears as dots or hidden characters, click Show to reveal it. That's all there is to it. From here, you can copy the passcode to share with participants or paste it when you join from a device that asks for it. A quick tip, when copying, make sure you don't include extra spaces before or after the code, as that can cause it to be rejected. If you're a participant who is invited to a meeting, you don't need to hunt through settings. The passcode is always included in the original invitation you received from the host. Open that invite message, this might be an email or a calendar event, and look just below the Join Zoom meeting link. You'll typically see two separate details listed there. The meeting ID is a 9 to 11 digit number, which identifies the room. Right below or next to it, you'll find the passcode. The passcode is case sensitive and can include a mix of letters, numbers, and sometimes symbols. So enter it exactly as shown, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase. If your invitation includes a one-click link, the passcode may already be embedded, but it will still be displayed in the invite for reference. That's the complete process. Hosts can view the passcode on the Zoom website under Meetings by opening the specific upcoming meeting and clicking Show if it's hidden. Participants can find it right in the original invitation beneath the Join link. Follow these steps and you'll have your passcode ready whenever you need it.